Welcome to how to use GL-iNet as a VPN server. In this case I use OpenVPN. OpenVPN server. Generate configuration. Authentication mode. Username, password and certificate. Use DNS domain. Use dynamic domain name service to solve the dynamic public IP address problem. Here is the configuration file for the client. Create a new account for the VPN service. Users. Add. I create a new account. Username. Password. You use this account to authenticate on the client. Enable the OpenVPN server. Enable dynamic domain name service. The device has a built-in dynamic domain name, you just need to enable it. Enable DNS. I allow the client to access the private network via the VPN. VPN dashboard. OpenVPN. Options. Allow remote access LAN. I check the result on the client. On the client I add the configuration file created in the previous step. You enter the username and password set on the router. Connect. The virtual private network is successfully set up. These are the steps to use GL-iNet as a VPN server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can monitor the connection on the router. I use the ping command to check the result.